Hello friends. Continuing from my last video, we were using filters from where close. So now it's time to do more complex queries. So we can do complex queries. We can how to filter out pattern matching. How to pattern match if we want to extract the data of some particular format. How to do it? See. This is a little bit more complicated query than we were doing. So now we can do a bit more complicated query. When I do some pattern matching, it is known as a little bit complicated. Suppose I want to look for the orders which have underscore 5 somewhere in their order ID, and I also want the shipping cost to be in the range of 10 to 15. Both conditions should be satisfied. So I'm going to build a compound condition here, and I'm introducing a new operator called like operator. So like is a pattern matching operator. So what we will do, we will write it down, select close, select order ID, shipping cost from market factful. This is the name of table where order ID like. What we will do, we will put inverted comma, then percentage, and for this one forward backslash, then underscore 5. We want underscore 5 and shipping cost between 10 and 15. So we are using it as a compound condition. This will display all the orders. So if I'm going to run this, what this will display? All the orders whose order ID having all the orders whose order ID will have the data of underscore 5. Oh, what I will do, I will see there is some error. I have put order ID. So I should write it down. Order ID. If now I am going to run this, what it is going to happen? So what it is going to run? If I am selecting order ID and shipping cost from order ID and shipping cost where shipping one more change we can do, we can write it down in a small. And now if I am going to, yes, it's same. So this is the order ID which is having underscore 5. So for pattern matching, we can use this type of query if by using like operator. So percent stand for any number of character, underscore 5 which is essentially indicates the beginning of an order number, and 5 can be followed by any number. So when I put this percentage, which means it's matches with any number of character of any character. So that is the first clause which I am using underscore 5. like the underscore 5. So we can also search like order ID like K if it is having K which begins with K. There is also a convenient operator between the which is shortcut for various type of for various AND clause. So we have used here between 10 and 15. We can say uh, like the greater than or equal to and shipping cost is less than or equal to 0. So it is a shortcut expressing something by saying between 10 and 15. We can say also that shipping cost should be greater than or equal to 10 and should be less than or equal to 15. Both result will be same, but by using between operator we have reduced the some work of typing. So I hope you will understand how to use like operator, how to use between operator. These both are operator which are using in this query, and how to recognize the pattern matching, how to write it down for pattern matching, which type of pattern we want to extract from our data. I hope you understood how to write it down, and please do more and more practice at your end. How to write it down for having 5, how to write it down for having k, how to write it down for having n in any attribute. So please do more and more practice. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Thank you.